Heating water in your home represents about 13% of your total energy costs, so any improvement here will have a big impact. Now, these owners had a very old, inefficient electric water heater, and it's been replaced with a state-of-the-art model that is actually a heat pump water heater that the manufacturer says can save up to $300 per year on energy usage. Now, if you have a gas water heater in your home, here's a couple options.
This is one of those options. This is a tankless water heater, and even though they've been in the U.S. for about 30 years, they've really gained a lot of popularity in the past 10 years. One of the most obvious benefits is that it's not expending energy heating water just to store it in a tank. This heats water only as you need it. Cold water enters here, and when a valve inside is turned on, the water will circulate through a copper heat exchanger to supply the demand quickly, and then it shuts off when the valve inside is closed. Whole house units like this one can be installed inside or out, and the size that's right for your home really depends on how many fixtures this will supply and what area of the country you're in. They're very efficient. They've got an energy factor rating between 80 and 85%, which on average is at least 10% more efficient than standard tank models.